Hurricane Idalia made landfall this morning, but a rare cosmic alignment between weather and celestial mechanics may supercharge the storm in Florida. A blue supermoon is expected to happen, where the moon is both full and at its closest point to the Earth during its orbit. A full moon already increases tides above normal ranges, but increased gravitation from the moon when it's slightly closer to the Earth could lead to much higher tides, and higher tides during a hurricane can lead to storm surges and flooding. Florida is already being hammered by Idalia, knocking out power for hundreds of thousands of people and destroying buildings in its wake.